Hello, my name is Brenda Hayward. This video is about learning how to maintain your financial security by owning your home. It doesn't have to be in a distant fantasy. In fact, making a decision is easier than you think. This video is called 5 Reasons You Can and Should Pay Off Your Mortgage Faster. Make a decision. This video will highlight additional information to your questions on what information can be helpful and added to your need to know list on how to pay off your mortgage fast. Viewers, I hope you brought your notebook and pencil. Some of these ways you should try to pay off your mortgage faster can be used by you and others in your journey in meeting your goal of eliminating your mortgage. It is time to use your power and decide. Number one, thinking about retiring in less than 10 years. Payoff of the mortgage ahead of retirement can reduce your decision making of if you should work a few more years. Check to see what real amount of money might be coming into your home through budget planning. Most of the time, it is lower than what is currently bringing home now. Monthly expenses will be cut. Extra funds can be utilized for property taxes, emergency repairs, or inflation increases. It cuts down on living expenses, enables you to pay off any debt accumulated. When you make a decision, review your loan agreement to see if you have to pay a prepayment penalty. Just knowing if an emergency arises, you know that you own your home outright. Decision making power is in your hands. Think it over and make a budget for your current income and expenses. Get an estimate on what your income can be when you retire. Look at the numbers and make a decision. Only you have the power. Number two, you received an unexpected windfall. Did you finally sell a house and decided to not to buy another home? Or did you receive an inheritance of a house and sold it and now the funds are available to you to make a decision? Your first decision on the windfall was to use the items you always dreamed of. However, one option is to decrease the amount owed on your mortgage loan. Remember, regardless, if you pay down your mortgage payment, structure stays the same until the cost owed is fulfilled. Check with the bank before you mail that check to see if it will be penalized for paying off the loan early. Some banks do charge fees for this type of transaction. Or if you still have a copy of the loan agreement, please review if it has a prepayment section and the requirements. Notifying a firm what is needed to ensure that the funds go to your principal portion of the loan. Please contact the lending company and ensure that you can and they have the same payoff amount. A quick call to the institution can help you with your decision making. Number three, check on the mortgage recasting with your lender. Recasting involves making a lump sum payment that reduces your current mortgage balance, which can lead to low monthly payments. Just a heads up that mortgage recasting is simpler than refinancing. However, you will still have the same interest rate and the same length of time to pay off the loan. Some advantages to this are the bank will perform a credit check. Will not perform a credit check, or you will not have closing costs and no lengthy application process. If you receive cash as a gift or inheritance, recasting your mortgage is great for investing in yourself while investing in your home, enabling you to keep more money in your pocket. Loan recasting reduces your loan principal and reduces your monthly payout. However, you have checked with your mortgage company and the charge and payments might not be a good reason to pay down your mortgage, and you may want to put the funds somewhere else. Number four, making a payment of your mortgage a priority. First, you need to set up a budget and get those monthly and yearly invoices out of the cabinets and drawers. Review your income and expense columns. How much is left after all the expenses are paid? When you look at your funds, and you may see that the discretionary funds could be reduced, or that you have found that they are still items you're paying for, however, you have stopped using them. Chances are that those items that are no longer needed and the reduction of the discretionary funds can be paid towards the principal balance of your mortgage loan. Even after your budget the second time, the income and expenses are correct, then you need to consider how you can increase your monthly income. Maybe you're willing to take a second job or ask your boss if you could put in more hours at your current job, or ask your boss for a pay raise. Number 5, refinance your mortgage home loan. Please think before you act. The best time to contact your lender is if the credit is okay and you are not behind in your monthly payments. The biggest part of the transaction is hoping that you get your current interest rate lowered than the one you received in your initial mortgage loan. Refinancing can help reduce the length of time of your loan, which means you can get to pay the home loan off quicker. When it comes to refinancing your home loan, it is similar to getting a new loan. If you're working with the original lender, there might be a few surprises. So check with the original lender to see if you are eligible to refinance with them. If not, then shop around. The option you have when you decide to refinance is the ability to get the interest rate reduction. If the interest rate drops 1 or 2 points, that could affect your mortgage payment. When you are ready to make a decision, make sure you get all the information before making the decision. Contact the lender to get all the information needed for you to take home and make a decision. Another option is available to you, the ability to shorten the length of the loan, which may be changed from 30 to 20 years. Just think, you first purchased the property, you might have wanted a short-term length loan. This is a great time to ask to see if what the new payment will look like if you could fit it into your current budget. Financial freedom is a great way to control over your funds. Only you have the power to make a decision that is right for you. Sit down, pull out the budget, and see what the right decision for you on when you can begin paying off your mortgage faster. This video is called 5 Reasons You Can and Should Try to Pay Off Your Mortgage Faster in 2023. Make a decision. Please let me know if you like this video by clicking a thumbs up or leaving comments below. Also, if you have time, check out some of my other videos that may answer a few of your other questions you may have. My name is Brenda Hayward, and thanks for your time.